Hey, we have an escapee. Got this guy over here, escape. Oh, look at these birds over here. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Incredible. Wow. Look at this. I am extremely grateful. This guy here. Hey, if you haven't had a chance to visit a place like this, you gotta do it. This is incredible. I mean, birds, these are African greys. We're gonna find out again, why was his inspiration to even have this? I mean, wow. Now, it's not only little birds, pigeons, parakeets, etc., but he also has cages. Everything that's needed in order for you to take care of these wonderful, wonderful pets. Now, these things last for many years. I'm going to find out, from the expert. Anyhow, I kind of bombarded him. He doesn't really know that I was coming, but I just want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Para que lo sepa, quiero saber. Okay, coming back. Thank you.